to our school district supervisor, Sir William C. Ortega, our barangay kapitan, Marcelo B. Tayaw, our school principal, Sir Leonilo M. Pascual, distinguished guests, teachers, school staff, classmates, friends, and family. A blessed morning to have you all here today. Today, May 31st, 2024, is a day of joy, reflection, appreciation, and most of all, celebration. My name is Arthur B. Apayo. As I stand before you as your cream of the crop for class 2023 to 2024, I am filled with a sense of appreciation for everyone who have made this very moment possible. To our amazing school principal, Sir Leonilo M. Pascual, your irreplaceable leadership and guidance